What's up, everybody? It is your girl, Rita, and I am here to do a video for you guys. Before we get started, make sure you give me a thumbs up on this video. I think you're going to like it. And if you don't like the video, you like me. So, give me a thumbs up for this video. And we're going to just be doing a really good, quick one today. And I think you're going to like it. I hope this video finds you doing well, blessed. If we got up today, blessed. We're better than a lot of people, so we're just going to thank God for that. And today, you guys, I'm going to be doing my, you hear that popping? My fajita stuffed chicken breast. I think you're going to like this one. So let's just get on into it. I've said hi, loved on you guys, and I'm ready to go. Let's go. Okay, I'm back, and I've got my Willy Wonka skillet that loves to move around. Don't cry for me, Argentina. I've got plenty of dishes. And pots and pans. You just have your favorite ones. You don't care how bad they get. So what I have right here is a half a stick of butter, you guys. And I'm going to let this get hot. What I'm going to be adding to this butter, you guys, is my all of my fajita veggies, my peppers, my onions, my garlic, okay? We're going to be adding that to this skillet, letting it get a little sear in color. We're going to season our veggies up with the same things that we're going to be seasoning our chicken breast in. Well, some of the same things anyway, for the most part. So let's get on started with that. Let's see. So I use tricolor bell peppers. You can use all one color. It doesn't matter. Y'all know how I am about eating with my eyes. So if it's pretty, make me want it more. We got our peppers, we got our onions. And I cut them all in big sizes, you guys. I want them to peek out of those chicken breasts. And I want them to be able to stand on their own over those seasonings. And in the midst of being in that chicken breast, I still want to be able to taste these, okay? So I'm going to saute these and cook them down until I get a little color on them. I'm going to also be putting some minced garlic in this mix, okay? Something else that I'm going to be doing, you guys, is I'm going to be seasoning it with some of the same seasonings that I'm going to be putting on my chicken. I'm going to use this fajita blend. And I'm going to use this hot Mexican style chili powder. Y'all, I don't know why I thought this was hot Mexican style paprika. But that's what I had thought. But that ain't what that is, okay? So I'm going to use some regular paprika on here and on my chicken breast. That does have a good taste, though. It really does. I tasted it in my hand before I put it on my food. And it's got a good taste. So it's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. Okay, I'm going to be letting these cook down and get pretty. And we're going to come back and we're going to stuff us some chicken breast. Okay. We ain't going to be doing nothing hard. When these get to cooking down some, I'm going to go ahead on and I'm going to add my minced garlic in here. Probably 2 tablespoons. If you have fresh, that'll probably be better, but I wasn't doing no extra stuff. I wasn't going to no stores and stuff like that. So I had minced in the refrigerator, and so that's what I'm using. When these are done and they have cooled off, I will show you how they look, and we'll start stuffing some chicken breast. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you how I stuff these chicken breasts, and then I'm just going to show you one, and then I'm going to do the rest of mine off camera. But you just season your chicken breast, you guys. Now I've already put a slit in my chicken breast. I put me a slit, a little pocket, but I always put my slit in my chicken breast with my chicken breast turned upside down so that I can see where my knife is going, because that's going to be your thin side. This is going to be your big booty side. So you let the big booty side be down, and then you make your little pockets. Sometimes you're going to get some little tearing. I got some tearing with this one because he just wasn't thick. He wasn't a thick snick, but it's all going to work out. But that's a good little reference to do, is cut it upside down. Put your thick side down and cut it with the thin side so you can move that knife where you're not tearing that thin side, okay? I hope that makes sense. I know y'all smart, so I already know it makes sense because y'all too smart for y'all good. Okay? So I'm just going to be seasoning this with what I season my vegetables with. My hot Mexican style chili powder, some paprika. All this is going to give me some color. Yes, I'm going to be massaging this on both sides, so that's why I'm doing so liberally. And on the inside, you guys, I'm going to be putting that seasoning on the inside as well. Okay? I should have had my big old, what do you call this thing? Cutting board, so that I wouldn't make such a mess. But it's my mess to clean up, so everybody let their anxiety go on down. You ain't got to come over here and clean it up. You ain't got to do none of that now. What you got to do is watch the video and get you a what do you call it? Get you a recipe, honey. That's all you got to do. So we're going to get this all massaged in. I'm going to get them all massaged and pretty, and then I'm going to show you what I do next. Hold on. Okay, you guys, let's stuff one of these. Now, you see how I got my seasonings on the outside and on the inside. I got my pocket right there. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, you guys, I'm going to put a little cream cheese, just a little slither in here, just like that. I'm going to put some peppers in here, just like this. Peppers and onions in here. And then I'm going to put me some cheese in this pocket. Yeah, this pocket is going to be stuffed for the gods, okay? And then we're going to have to close it with a toothpick. Now, you guys, today I'm going to be using fat-free cheese. I don't know what my cheese pool is going to be like, y'all. This is my first time using this fat-free cheese. You know, trying to do some different stuff, yeah. This is like a keto-friendly little meal today, and I hope it turns out that way. So we're going to secure this with a toothpick. That's kind of difficult to do, so I'm not going to do that online. But once you get it stuffed like you want, secure it. And then when y'all bring y'all back, I have all these stuff secured, and we're going to go to the skillet, okay? Okay, you guys, I'm back, honey. I done got wearied and fainted trying to get these dang on chicken breasts together, honey. The skin kept breaking. I was having a hard time. Hopefully you won't have no hard time. So I'm going to start out with my biggest ones, you guys. Now what I'm going to be doing is putting them big booty side down. Okay. Now I'm going to be cooking. You see I had to create me some skin so all my stuff wouldn't fall out, honey. These things gave me trouble. I'm going to be cooking these about 5 minutes per side until I get all of them blackened and cooked. And then I'm going to be cooking them, putting them all in here together for the remaining time of the cook. But for now, honey, we just want to get them cooked. When it's time for me to turn these big old boys over, I'll be back, honey. Okay, you guys, it's been about 5 minutes. Let's turn these big boys over. Okay. Want that sear on there. That's why we're cooking it right now on medium high. Once we get them all done and seared on both sides, we're going to turn this heat down and let them simmer in the skillet until they get done, okay? These things are huge. I know my husband gonna want that big thing right there. That's huge. I couldn't even eat all that chicken. Okay, see that? Okay, I'm going to cook them all up, turn them all backwards, forwards, and inside out. And when they all get done, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next, okay? Okay, you guys, hey, now I'm going to be turning my fire down to a medium, to a low, really. Because I got all these big old giant, beautiful chicken breasts seared off, right? I'm going to put the remaining parts of my peppers in here. Basically a lot of onions, really. Okay? Let them stir up there a few minutes. Okay? And then I'm going to add all of my chicken breasts back into this skillet. Okay? They're going to be squeezed in here, y'all. But that's okay. I'm going to be putting the top on these bad boys and letting them finish cooking. You have to get that sear before I add my chicken breast. Before I add my chicken broth, I needed it to get this sear on it, okay? Me and my daughter can eat that together. That thing is huge. Somebody has some big on tittles, okay? I'm going to put these in here, right? We're going to put a dash of chicken breast. I don't know why I want the broth to be the breast. I think these breasts done traumatized me. So we're going to put a little broth in here. Now, I don't want y'all to feel like it's something hard. I always suffer from when it's time to, what you call it, stuff. I don't do good with stuffing. It takes me forever. Some of these people do stuff, and be done. And I be still trying to get it perfect and make sure that I got toothpicks where all my stuff won't come out. I think I'm just too much of a perfectionist for the stuffing, but I showed y'all how to do it, and I know y'all going to be way better at it than me. So what I'm going to be doing, you guys, is like I said, I'm going to be turning this down. It was on medium high. I'm going to turn it down to low medium, about a 4 or so, 3, 4 or so. I'm going to top it, and I'm going to let it cook the rest of the way. When it get done, then I'll show you how I'm going to be plating it up and what it's going to look like. We're almost there, y'all. Okay, you guys, we've come to the end of the road, honey. This is another one, you guys. Now, after searing these chicken breasts 5 minutes on each side and getting me some color, I turned my fire down and I cooked these breasts another 20 minutes. And then I cooked it another 10 minutes because, honey, these things are huge, okay? Look at that. Ooh, look at them onions and stuff and that cheese. This is my daughter's plate, you guys. Now, this is what I'm going to be doing to hers. For mine, I'm going to have me just some prepared guacamole and some prepared, what is that stuff called? Pico. I'm going to mix those together, and I'm going to, just like this, I'm going to put me some lime on there, and I'm going to put that on top in the middle of all of my food. I was looking for my girl. The devil is trying me today, honey. He trying me. That's all right. So I'm just going to get a little bit of this and go just on the top, just like this, you guys. And this is going to be dinner done, honey. I'm going to get that sauce from that. Look at that, y'all. Would you look at that? Now, let's cut this open and make sure it's done. That's what you're going to have to do. You're going to have to make sure that your chicken gets done, you guys. I'm going to move. Well, I was going to move there, but I forgot I still have it on. So I'm going to cut into this just so we can make sure that this chicken is done inside of here before I give it to my daughter. I don't want no stinking, what do you call it? Raw chicken. Okay, so let's look at it. Can you see that? Done and looking beautiful, pristine and white, okay? Yes, yes, yes. Look at that. You see that? Let's see if I can pick it up for you. Delicious, y'all. This is my fajita stuffed chicken breast, and I think you're going to like this one. And if you have some suggestions on how to stuff them, I just think let's see, I think your chicken breasts need to be uniform. You know, don't get ones that run them big and they big on one side and they got a big old booty and they ain't got no, you know, just get them unified. And I think with that, I'm going to taste this because it smells so good. We're just going to get a little bit like, Lord, we thank you for this food, about to see a little bit of nourishment in our bodies. This rice I've got a video for it that's coming. Probably a bonus video. It's just a little short video. But yeah, I made this with brown rice. And I ramped it up and made it Mexican brown rice. Okay? I want to taste this chicken. Let me taste a piece of this chicken. Yeah. You know, food make you just dance. That means you love food too much. Because I love it just that much. Okay, we're going to get us just a little piece. Girl, I said a little piece. I'm going to cut this good stuff from rooter to tooter. Here, go and get you some too so I can say, y'all ate it. Okay? Yes. This is so good. Yeah. Y'all are going to like this one. Make sure you give me a thumbs up for this video. And make sure you have your notifications turned on. So you will know when I'm doing one of these bangers, baby. Because you know I'm lying to get on here and do it whenever. And I will see you guys on the next one when we see what Rita's cooking. I love you guys. Bye.